Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome, dear students. I hope you are all doing well. Dear students, today we will start lesson number 3 from unit number 6 on page number 30, which is reading science fiction diary. So we have exercise 1. Read, where have the aliens landed? So dear students, here we have some pictures and here are some aliens and they are talking about the planet Earth. Look, there's planet Earth. The second alien is telling the first alien that, and those are Earthlings. Look, they are waving at us. So here are two aliens. They are looking at planet Earth, and they saw some humans or Earthlings who are waving at them. We have landed. Let's go out and have a look. Put on your Earth suit first. The first alien is telling the second alien that we have landed on planet Earth. Let's go out and have a look at the planet Earth. But before going out, put on your Earth suit first. Now in the third picture, don't forget to write your diaries. The second alien is telling the first alien that don't forget to write your diaries. So look at the pictures, say what is happening. So all these things are happening here. First of all, they saw the planet Earth and then they landed at planet Earth, and now they are talking about diary. The second alien is telling the first alien not to forget to write his diary. So here we have exercise 3, but before solving this exercise, we will read the diary of the alien. Visit to planet Earth. Today was my first day on planet Earth. It is a strange place. I was walking along the river when a large green and yellow worm came out of a hole in the hillside. It was traveling very fast. It made a noise at me as it went by. I followed it in my spaceship. It came to a feeding station where a lot of people were waiting. It slowed down and stopped. Then it ate all the people. So dear students, the alien wrote in his diary that it was his first day and the earth is a strange place to him, and he was walking along the river and he found a green and yellow worm that came out from a hole in the hillside, and it was traveling very fast. It made a noise and it went by, and the alien followed it in his spaceship. It came to a feeding station where a lot of people were waiting, and it slowed down and stopped, and then it ate all the people. So it was a train. So he wrote about a train on Tuesday in his diary. So in exercise 3, the train travelers were traveling on Tuesday in train. Wednesday, as I was walking past a house, a woman was hanging clothes on a line outside her house. I think she was hoping to sell them. Many people sell clothes in this way because you see many houses with clothes outside. So dear students, on Wednesday, the alien saw a housewife and she was hanging the clothes on a rope to be dried in the sun, and the alien thought that she is hanging them to sell, because many people sell their clothes in this way, because he saw many houses with clothes outside. So on Wednesday, he saw a lady who was hanging the clothes on a rope. So it was Wednesday when he saw a housewife. In this blank, he will write Wednesday. Thursday, today I found an art school for children. While I was walking past the school, lessons were finishing. The students were coming into the playground. One boy was putting on his air heaters. That was surprising because it was quite hot, but I think he was unwell as his body was also shaking. So, dear students, these are the events from Sunday. So, dear students, on Thursday, he became across a school and he found that lessons were finishing in the school and the students were coming out in the playground, and he saw a boy who was putting his air heaters. Actually, the air heaters were earphones, but the alien thought that these are the air heaters, and he was surprised because it was quite hot, but he thought that he was unwell because his body was also shaking. He was tensing. So he saw the schoolboy on Thursday. This event was happened on Thursday. Now, dear students, on page number 31, Friday. In the evening, I went for a walk around the town. A man was standing outside his little purple house. First, he filled a bucket with water, then he took out a big cloth. I watched him while he was washing his house and singing. He washed the doors, the windows, and the roof. I felt sorry for him because he was a big man and only had a small house. So, dear students, on Friday he saw a man who was washing his car and he thought that he is washing his house, and that has a little purple color. And first he filled a bucket with water and then he took out a big cloth. So he thought that the man is washing his house, but actually this was the man's car. So the car washer that he saw was on Friday. In the second blank we will write Friday. So now we have events from Saturday. Today I went to the seaside. People were walking along a broad street beside the sea, eating different kinds of food. I also saw some small spaceships flying around in the air. While one man was eating, one spaceship flew down very fast and took his sandwich. So, dear students, on Saturday, the alien came across the seaside and he saw that many people were walking there and eating different kinds of food, and he saw some spaceships, and actually those spaceships were some footballs. And while one man was eating a sandwich, so a football hit him and took his sandwich. So in the first blank we have Saturday. The sandwich eater was eating the sandwich on Saturday. So at the end we have Sunday in the alien's diary. Today is a rest day for Earthlings. I saw many people staring at an important box in their homes. The box was making sounds and showing pictures. Some people were laughing at the box. One boy was staring at it lying down. So, dear students, the alien then saw the people of the earth that they were staring at an important box, and what that important box was, actually it was a television. So he said that the box was making sounds and showing pictures. Some people were laughing at the box. One boy was staring at it lying down. Students, here we have the option of TV watchers. So the people were watching the television on Sunday. So Sunday is a rest day and the aliens saw the people watching television. So dear students, now here we have exercise 4, exercise 5. This is your homework. Write down the answers of exercise 5 in your notebooks and solve exercise 4 on your textbook. Thank you so much dear students. Allah Hafiz.